This is going to be a video on how to upload in Canvas, and this is just kind of like a verbal instruction that goes with the instructions that are in Canvas. So first you're going to go into your class, then you're going to get to your main page. For me, this is going to be under General Class, these instructions. You're going to click on Uploading Assignments. And this is separate in case you have a paper project or something else that really can't be uploaded, something that you this is basically a way to take a video of it and upload it. For everything else, you're pretty much going to use this, and basically you need to know because this is not going to change. You're going to submit quite a few assignments this way. So it's going to be important to know how to do this. And if you do enough, then you will know how. So you'll just click on that. And I've got basically 4 slides that talk about taking screenshots. If you have a Google Doc, you're just doing Google Doc, you're doing a Google slide, you can skip to slide 8. All right, if you need to take a screenshot of something, now you're going to start up here. And you can just click on, and these will take you to the slide you need to be at. So if I don't need screenshots, I just need to go to uploading, I can just click here. And it will take me to slide 7, where it talks about uploading. Otherwise, I might just start here. So this goes over how to take a screenshot depending on the type of device you have. So here are the shortcuts to taking a screenshot. So we've got one for Chromebook, the laptop, or a Mac. So you'll want to open whatever document it is, whatever you're taking a screenshot of, and you're going to click one of those buttons depending on your device. If you have a Chromebook, you're going to have one extra step, and that is this one. This box will appear on the bottom right-hand corner, and you're going to click Copy to Clipboard. The other ones automatically copy the image. Then you go to your Google Doc, all right, and you're going to click within that document, and you're going to hit Control V if you have a Chromebook or Windows device. If you have a Mac, you're going to use Command V. Once you're in there, you'll want to edit your picture because just like if I'm recording, you can see all this stuff up here that I've got. You want to get rid of that stuff so that it's only the image you want. So if you click on the screenshot, then you should end up seeing some black lines on the outside. There'll be one about here, here, up here, and over here. Things that will let you crop the image. And you'll just drag those black lines over and down, and then you're going to click on this again afterwards. So you'll click on this, black lines appear, then you click on this again, and it crops it. Then you're going to increase the size of your image so that it is not microscopically tiny. And the best thing to do is to drag from the corners. That will keep your image from getting squished or long or changing the way it looks. Another way to increase the size is to go into layout, or the layout and the margins, which is if you click File, Page Set, and then you can change it to Landscape, which makes it longer. And you can also change your margins from 1 inch to 0.5, and that gives you more space, so you can make the image larger. Now to uploading, you will want to make sure you name your document. If you do not name it, you will not be able to find it. Next, you're going to go to the assignment in Canvas. So you're going to the Canvas and clicking on the assignment. So whatever project it is, doesn't matter. Click on it. Then there's a button that says submit assignment. So you click on that button. If that button is not there, then the assignment is probably locked and you will need to contact your teacher, who can either unlock it or will have some other means, or they might not take it anymore. It really depends on how late something is. So once you click that, another box will appear and you might have to give it some time to get to this point, depending on your internet speed. You'll see these little things up here. If you have a file that is not a Google Doc, if it's a PDF, if it's a picture, if it's something, basically something that's not a Google Doc, a JPEG, whatever, you're going to actually just use this. And you'll just choose file and go to whatever folder you have it in, and you can just click submit assignment. If you have a Google Doc or a Google Slides, anything like that, you're going to click on Google Drive. And I've got it here a little bit bigger so you can see it. The first time you do this, you're going to probably get this, which is log in, you need authorization, so forth. So you're going to click the authorize button. Now that's going to make another box pop up here that asks you to leave. And you are going to click leave. Then you might get another box that has your Gmail accounts, especially if you have more than one. It might, if you only have one, just take you straight to a checkbox. So after you pick your account, then it will take you to a checkbox and it will have some writing that you have to agree to. And there's a little box and you have to click in the box to check it. And then I do believe it's a next button that you'll have to click. Then you need to give it some time so your list can appear. It'll take a minute to connect to each other. You should only have to do this one time. So then eventually you should get this list here. So you'll have to scroll to find your document. They are in alphabetical order. Folders are going to show up first. If you put something under, let's say you put it under folder 13, you'll have to check under there. If it's under folder 9, you'll check under there. If you don't need that folder, you can click it closed. Some of these are automatically there and then files are underneath. So you might have to click around. Normally there's folders, but mainly your files are underneath. So you'll find your assignment. So let's say practice AP exam, you click on it. Then you click on submit assignment. There's going to be, it'll upload it, and then there'll be another thing that says submit, and you'll click that as well. So this does end up showing up. Then at the top, you'll see this box, and it will probably say this, where it's processing your submission. You click OK, and if you've done it correctly, then you're going to see this. It'll say submitted, it'll say the time, and also resubmit. If it did not upload correctly, you chose the wrong one, you just click this and you can select a different assignment. If you update your assignment, it does not automatically update in Canvas, so you'll have to resubmit. Here is the uploading a PDF or picture. This is, I was talking about this earlier. It's a little bit, there's less steps, but you just click submit assignment and you choose your file and find your file, and then you submit it and click submit again if it asks you to, and again it'll end up saying this. So uploading a picture using a Google Doc, this is a little bit it's either multi-step or not. You have two options you have to decide on. First, you need to decide if you're going to use the app on your phone, or if not, then you're going to end up sending this picture to yourself in an email and you'll download it on the computer. This is probably the easiest way. So downloading the Google Doc app onto your phone. You open a new Google Doc. You also want to make sure you go ahead and take the picture. So take the picture, then open a Google Doc. You'll name it. Always name it, otherwise you won't be able to find it. You'll click insert, then this should be click upload from computer or gallery, and then you're going to once you've done that in the app on the phone, you'll be able to open your Google Doc on your computer and you'll see it there, as long as you're in the same account. So you need to make sure you do it under your school account. And this will take you back to the upload slide. If you're doing it through email, you'll have to open your picture and you have to get to where the sharing part is. So let me see if I can get the share button or logo, I guess. And it looks normally like this button like this. There might be some other ones that look different, but normally it looks like this. So you'll have to go to your picture and click on that. Then you'll want to send it. So click on that. Then you want to put in your email address and send it. Then you go to your email on the computer and you're going to download it. Maybe it'll let you copy it. Depends on which email you're using. And then again, you're going to go to this upload slide. All right, and those are pretty much the main ways of doing this. So hopefully that helps.